The grant was taking place through time, footprints through time. So the kids are looking at different time periods. So they looked at Egypt, and then they looked at India. They're going to be looking at Rome and Greece and China. And by looking at each of the civilizations, they look at what artifacts they left behind that we've seen and found, and what they left for us in future generations. So they're recreating those artifacts. They had to research them, and then they do a write-up showing where the footprint was, what it was, and then where do we see that footprint today. So it's been able to promote their learning. Right now they're doing a lot of artwork. They create artifacts that they're able to use the materials for, and then we're documenting them creating the artifacts through either the videotape or the photography, so that parents will be able to see the whole learning process that's involved with it. The plaster, the sculptures that they're able to build now, the basket weaving, they have the stuff that they can actually do it correctly. So just having all those things on hand has helped make the quality of work stronger.